to display all the elements. For displaying also, because I need to display a of 0, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, so on up to a of 9. That's why I'll write one more loop which starts again from I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. I'll write printf. What I am supposed to do, I need to go to a new line. Now if I would like to have an output like a of 0 is equivalent to 10 and a of 1 is equivalent to 20, like this, if I want to output like this, what I am supposed to do, I need to write code like this. So we'll see how to write a of whatever I write in the double quotes, it will be displayed, and a of this is the value of I which we are want to print, that is a of percentage d, close the bracket, is equivalent to, I need to display the value. What is the value? I need to display the value percentage d, double quotes close. First I need to display the value of I because I want to display a of I, and I need to get the value from the array. Whatever the array stores, I'll get the value. So what will happen here? When I is equivalent to 0, I is equivalent to 0, when I is equivalent to 0, it prints a of a square bracket percentage d. What is percentage d? The value of I. What is value of I? 0. Because I is equal to 0, so it prints a of 0 is equal to d. What is the d? It is also format space where we need to get some value. From where I'll get? After the first comma, that is a of I. A of I is nothing but a of 0. What is the value I have? 10. So I'll get the 10 here and I'll print. And then I'll increment the value of I. I is equal to 1. When I is equal to 1, I need to print a of 1 is equivalent to, I get the value. What is the value I have? A 20. So I'll print the value 20. Increment the value of I. When I is equal to 2, I'll print a of 2 is equivalent to, the value is 30. Increment the value of I. I is equal to 3. A of 3 is equivalent to 40. Similarly, when I is equal to 9, I'll print a of 9 is equal to 100. Then increment the value of I is equal to 10. At this place, the condition fails. Now it will come out of the loop. So that's it. There are no other statements. So what I'm supposed to do, I'll close this bracket here. So this program reads elements of how many elements I'm taking. In this case, I am taking 10 elements. Reads 10 elements from the user. Read element by element. And once the reading is over, just I am displaying all the 10 elements here. And if I want to change from 10 to 100, yes, you can read the 100 elements and you can print all the 100 elements just by changing simple number. You need to change here as a of 100, and then you need to change here 100 and also here as 100. The rest is perfectly fine. So this is how you need to write the code. We'll try to write the code and we'll see. Okay, what we have written, hash include, I hope everyone is able to see the code, right? stdio.h and void main. What I have declared int a of 10. See, if I keep, first I will declare I, and a of, let us say, if I press left square bracket, automatically it comes the right square bracket. You need not worry about it. A of 10, and then semicolon. What I'm supposed to do, first I'll write printf /n, and the elements of the array A. అదే కదా అడిగాం. First I'll ask the user to enter the elements of the array A. So then I need to start a loop for I is equal to 0 and I less than 10. Why I less than 10? Because I have declared array as 10. I less than 10, I plus plus. What I'm supposed to do? I need to read scanf percentage d comma ampersand of a of I. So once reading the elements is over, now I need to print. How to print? Printf /n the elements of array A are /n. I'll write one more for loop for I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus. Printf /n the value of A of percentage d is percentage d comma I comma A of I. So I'll save Control S. I'll save as array -1 and I need to save as source file as C. I could save just now. Let us say I'll save in desktop itself. To compile and execute, first I need to compile. I'll see if any errors are there. There are no errors, and I'll run. Enter the elements of array A. Because I have declared 10 elements, let us say I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that means I have given 10 elements. So the output is the value of A of 0 is 1 because first element is 1. The value of A of 1 is 2. A of 2 is 3. Like this, we have got the output. Which means if I want to print the elements of the array, I need to write one loop. To read the elements of the array, I need to write the loop. Here what's happening, we are giving all the elements like this, but when we are printing, we are given the value of age. We can do the same thing at the time of reading the elements also. How? Instead of here scanf, I'll write one printf here. Printf /n value of value of A percentage D is and చెప్పి అడిగి you will read the value. So I enter the elements of array and తర్వాత will write /n here, and every time I'll ask value of A of 0 is, value of A of 1 is. So here I need to write I value. Let us see how the output will be. I need to save. I've saved the program, compile, no errors, run. So it will ask value of A of 0 is, let us say I've given 10, A of 1 is 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. I've given values for each and every this thing. See, I've got the output is also what I have given. I have given 10, 20, 30, 40, and I have displayed all the values in the same order. Clear? I hope you understood, right? Okay. This is how you can write the program. First, you need to declare the elements. Let us declare the elements of the, what are the variables which I want. In this program, I want a variable I to read the values of a of I, a of 1, a of 2, a of 3 అలాగా అందుకని I declare చేశాను, and I need to declare an array of integer type. Let us say if I want to have read 100 elements, simply I'll change from 10 to 100 here, and I need to check the condition I less than 100 while reading, and also while printing also I need to change the values, except that I need not change anything in the program. Is it clear? Yes.